Okay friends, this is a very simple, quick video on how to connect clothesline rope when making your bowls and totes. So first step, and this is how I do it, but the first step is to cut off the two ends that you're wanting to join together with a pair of scissors. And then you are going to pull out that core about 1 to 2 inches. Pull it out and then cut that off. And you're going to do this for both pieces of rope. We're going to cut that off right there. And then you're going to pull that material back over, but it's going to be hollow now, so just pull it back. And we're going to do the other side the same way. Now, I took some Aleene's tacky glue, and one cord I brought to a point, coated it with glue. The other side, I'm taking a small paintbrush and just pushing it to make that hole a little bigger, and then just going to slide that into the other side. And then I'm going to take some tacky glue and just go across it all the way around, just a light coat, and then let it dry overnight. And then you can proceed with sewing, zigzagging, and it should hold perfectly. So if you want more tips, check out this video. I will leave the link in the description box below. And also check out the rope bowl playlist, where I have a good variety of different types of rope bowls and totes that you can make. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a very blessed day.